Hi, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to make a quick video today to show you how you can create a framed product that has multiple prints in one mat. All right, so in this example, I'm using a 20 by 20 frame with a 9 ups or 9 prints that are 5 by 5 size. All right, so what I've done is I have created this framed product, and the framed product has the description 9 prints in a square frame, so that I know that I'm not going to just put a print in it at this price. Here's my lab. I get it from the framer framed, and the frame is 1.5 inches. It has a black frame, and I'm going to put a 0-inch mat. All right. And in the sizes and prices, I have my single 20 by 20. My cost for this product is $118, and I have a 4 times markup for the cost, which is $472. All right, so that's the frame itself. Now, I will show you the prints. So I manually created the print product, so it's prints for frames. You'll have to double check what your bleed is. If you're doing a mat, typically there is a little bit of an overlap, the mat overlapping the print. So you want to double check that. I'm going to make that an off-white color, and this is just from a made-up lab. Here's my 5 by 5. I'm putting in my cost is $0 and my price is $0, because what I've done is I put the cost and the price in for the full framed product. So I only did that once, okay? And then, so what I did, remember, was I built the frame itself. I built the frame itself, and then I built the prints. And then I'm going to go into Manage Templates, and I've already built this as well. And here is my frame. So you can see that a little bit better. Here's my black frame print. I built that first, and then I started putting the 5 by 5s in here. All right, and then I named it a framed 9-up, and I saved it here. It's asking me if I want to save as new or update because I went in to edit it. All right, so now when I'm in my client area, thank you, Ashlie Nicole Photography, for doing an awesome job with our family session. I'm going to show you off. When I go into design, the only other thing I need to make sure that I do is include a white high-res image, because I'm going to load that into the frame. I'll show you in a second. Didn't really need to do that, but okay, let me show you. Scrolling through all my templates. All right, here we are. Let me put this in a space that makes a little bit more sense. See if this one works. Look at that. All right, so here's my framed 20 by 20 with my 5 images. And what I'm going to do is I am going to, what I have in here already loaded in is, it's kind of hard to see since it's white, is a 5,000 by 5,000 pixel plain white image. Okay, and I just uploaded it as a client image, basically. So all I need to do is place that into the frame. Doesn't really matter, because you have to have, remember this was it was actually a framed print with no mat, the background one. So you have to put a white image in there to designate that as the mat, okay? And then from here, you know, just fill it up how you want to. This is a lot to fill. She did such a good job. It was so cold out. This one. Almost done. Maybe one more full family. See if this one fits in a square. Yeah. All right. So here I have my fully filled product. Here are all of my prints, 4 frames. Here's my 20 by 20, 9 up. That's $472. Here's the total size, because this includes the frame itself. And we're good. I'm going to go ahead and add this as a suggestion. And that's it. Now when you check out with your client, as long as you have that outer image, remember, because it's actually just a non-matted print, framed print here. So you just have to make sure that you fill this with whatever color your mat is. And like I said, what I suggest is just putting a high-res empty image file into there. All right, so that's it. You build the frame with the price you want for the whole thing. You build the image, the prints, single sizes with $0 cost, $0 price, and then you build this in your templates, and then you just make sure that you have a high-res image file for that matte spot. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.